Section 11.1, Example 1. Calculate the simple interest earned in 1 year, so 1 year, so my time is 1, on a deposit of $1,000, so my principal is $1,000, if the interest rate is 5%. So again, if my interest rate is 5%, I have to change that to a decimal. So then my interest is going to equal 1,000 times 0.05 times 1, which I don't need to do, and so my interest is going to be $50. Check your progress 1. Calculate the simple interest earned in 1 year. Again, my time is 1 year. On a deposit of $500, so I'm depositing $500, that's my principal. On an interest rate of 4%. So if my interest rate is 4%, I have to use the decimal 0.04. So I take 500 times 0.04 times 1, and I get $20. Example 2. Calculate the simple interest due on a 3-month loan of $2,000 if the interest rate is 6.5%. So here's the tricky part of that one, okay? My loan is $2,000. My interest rate is 6.5%, so 0.065. The tricky part is on this one. They told me my time is 3 months, but my interest rate is 6.5%. If they don't tell you otherwise, this is always annual or per year. So my time has to be in years. So if this is 3 months, then my time is going to be 3 out of 12 because it's 3 months out of 12 months. That's how long a year is 12 months. So then I can take and plug all of those in my calculator. And I have 2,000 times 0.065 times 3 out of 12. And so my interest would have been $32.50. Check your progress 2. Calculate the simple interest due on a 4-month loan of $1,500 if the interest rate is 5.25%. So again, my principal on this one is $1,500. My interest rate is 5.25, so 0.0525. My time is 4 months. But again, this is per year, so I have 4 out of 12. So I have 1,500 times 0.0525 times 4 divided by 12. And as long as I plug this all in at once, I don't have to have parentheses. And so this is $26.25. Example 3. Calculate the simple interest due on a 2-month loan of $500 if the interest rate is 1.5% per month. Okay, now they change the wording again. So on this one, my principal is still going to be the amount of the loan, which is $500. My interest rate is 1.5%, but it's per month. So because this is per month, my time has to be in months. Well, my time was 2 months, so I don't have to change anything. I get to use everything as is. So 500 times 0.015 times 2, or $15 in interest. And my last one, check your progress 3. Calculate the simple interest due on a 5-month loan of $700 if the interest rate is 1.25% per month. Okay, so Principal, $700 is how much we're starting with. My interest rate is 1.25%, so 0.0125. And again, this is 1.25% per month, so my time is in months, and they told me it's a 5-month loan, so those units go together. So I'm going to enter that in my calculator, and I have 700 times 0.0125 times 5, or $43.75.